So this is a suction mount, and this is actually a really nice quality one, and as you're gonna see, it is very effective at sticking to windows or mirrors or even just flat surfaces that are clean. So you have the suction mount here, which we'll demonstrate in a second. You also have this magic arm with dual ball heads where you can swivel this thing around to get the exact angle that you want. Now it does come with an action ball head as well, so you can swap this one out for this one if you have like a GoPro or something like that. It does come with this little safety clip that you can clip onto here and onto your camera or onto your car if you have it like on your car and you don't want to worry about it falling off. And it comes with this little Pocket 3 adapter as well. So if you have a Pocket 3 or Pocket camera, you can put that on there, and a little carrying bag. But let's just go ahead and see how well it sticks. So we have a window, a little glass over here. So we'll tighten this magic arm, but you know, it's always good to wipe it down first. And then you're just gonna pop it on there, and then you see this lever right here. You're just gonna pop that down, and look at that. That thing is on there. Like, I can open the door just with that. Actually, it makes a really nice door handle. So really good quality, and you just pop it off like that. You open it up, and then you flip this tab. So great stuff. Highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.